जय हिंद दोस्तों, welcome to AP Academy. Today is a very proud moment for all of the peoples who are living in Madhya Pradesh, that our one city who has becomes the India's first city to get the Water Plus certificate, and that city is Indore. Recently, the central government has given Water Plus certificate to Indore city. Now, what is this Water Plus certificate is? Water Plus certificate is actually a certificate which will be provided to a city who contribute and whose administrations are contributing for the cleanness of their river as well as their drainage system. See, lot of polluting waters have been drained to the river or to the freshwater lakes. That will pollute our river. Lot of polluted waters from households, from commercial, everywhere that are drained into the river. Indore became the first city who had reduced it, means who has stopped these polluted waters from going into the rivers or the freshwater lakes. So the drainage of the polluted water has been minimized in Indore. That's why Indore has become the India's first Water Plus city. Now, the announcement was made by the central government under the Swachh Sarvekshan 2021. You know that Swachh Sarvekshan is going to be held each year. They will define the cleanness of a city. Water Plus status is accorded to cities under the Swachh Sarvekshan survey on the basis of their performance in tapping the polluted water and preventing its flow in the river and other fresh bodies of the region. See, Water Plus status is given to that cities under Swachh Sarvekshan survey on the basis of the performance to tap out the polluted water, means to find out where the polluted water is indulging and then stopping them and preventing them to flow into the rivers and other fresh bodies of the region. Indore is also referred to as the cleanest city in India. Indore is getting the awards since the last few years. Indore is the cleanest city of India, and now Indore has become the first Water Plus city who has tapped the polluted water on going onto the rivers or other fresh bodies. Now, what is this Swachh Sarvekshan? See, it is an annual survey of cleanness, hygiene and sanitation in cities and towns across India. See, it is an annual survey which is going to be conducted by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs each year. And on the basis of cleanness, hygiene and sanitation in cities and towns, they will provide the ranks to the cities, that how clean is the city is. It was launched as a part of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, who aimed to take India clean and free of open defecation by 22nd October 2019. See, it was launched as a part of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, who aimed to India to clean and free of open defecation, means openly using the toilets, open defecation, that should be clean. And it is according to that aim, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has been launched. The first survey, the Swachh Sarvekshan, the first survey was conducted in 2016 and covered around 73 cities. And then by 2020, the survey has grown to cover 4,242 cities and was said to be the largest cleanest survey in the world. So in the world, we have conducted the largest cleanest survey, and the first survey which was conducted in 2016 and the last survey was conducted on 2020. Now, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs is now in the process of conducting the 6th edition of survey to rank all cities under Swachh Bharat mission urban. So 6th survey is going to be going on. Now what is the objective of this Swachh Sarvekshan? It is actually to encourage large scale citizen participation. See, citizens participation is very important for cleanness, because if we will provide cleanness to us and our neighbors, then the whole India will be clean if everybody thinks that. So it is a large scale citizen participation should be there. So this is the main objective of this Swachh Sarvekshan, so that it is a very proud moment. It is not only for Indore, it is each and every people of Indore is very proud of that. They have get the target of a cleanest city of India. It's a very proud moment for each and every people who are living in Indore, that they are participating. So it's a responsibility not only of the government but also of each and every citizen to provide cleanness to ourselves also and to the nation also. Now, every sustainability of initiatives taken towards garbage free and open defecation free cities provided credible outcomes which would be validated by third party certification. Now, creating awareness amongst the sections of society about the importance of working together towards making town and cities more habitable and sustainable. So it is not only about the government, it is about the each and every person who's living in the city or towns. It is the responsibility of each section of the society to work together so that our city will get clean and our whole India will get clean, and the dreams of our father of nation, that is Mahatma Gandhi ji's dream, will come true to clean the whole nation. Next. Now what is this Water Plus City is? A Water Plus City certificate is provided to a city for maintaining cleanness in river and drains under its administration. According to protocol provided by the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, a city can be declared as Water Plus only after all wastewater released from households, commercials, and the like is treated to a satisfactory level before releasing the treated wastewater to the environment. Means it is the protocol which was announced by the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs that the city can be declared Water Plus only if all the wastewaters which are coming from households, commercials, and they should be treated satisfactory level, means they should be treated well. There should be a treatment system should be there, so that before releasing it to the environment, this wastewater should be treated. It is a protocol, and on that protocol Indore has completed that protocol and followed that protocol and has become the first Water Plus city. Now, what are the criteria of Water Plus city? It must be ensured that the dirty water from the city does not go into the river. It is a very important point that the river should be clean. All public toilets in the city must be connected to sewer line and must be cleaned. So all the public toilets which are present in the city must be connected to the sewer lines, so that there should be no waste water or polluted water should be circulated. 30% of city sewer water has to be recycled and reused. So these are the criteria of Water Plus City, and this is all about Water Plus City. So this is a small session which was conducted that what is Water Plus City, and Indore has become the first city who has got the Water Plus City certificate. And the main crunch about Water Plus City is that the dirty water should not go into the river or freshwater lakes. It should be stopped and it should be treated well in order to minimize the polluted water. So that's it from my side, and I hope this session is good for you, and you should know about water plus city concept. It's a very important concept. Swachh Sarvekshan is also very important. So that's all from my side. Thank you. I hope you have understood this concept. If understand this concept, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Jai Hind.